Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove the lid of a coffee carafe easily. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right over here, I have a coffee carafe, and it is a specific one that I got with this machine. But you know, opening the lid or removing the lid of a coffee carafe is going to be a fairly easy thing to do. It's going to be a fairly standard thing to do, meaning most of them, I'm assuming, are going to be, you know, similarly operated. I've used quite a few coffee carafes in my lifetime, and all of the lids, from what I remember, have been removed in the same way. So obviously, look at your owner's manual, use your judgment, use your common sense, but this is the way that you remove the lid of this coffee carafe, and as far as I can remember, it's the same way that I've removed the lids of my other coffee carafes that I've used in the past as well. So it's really, really easy to do. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you how to do it, a couple of different ways, and then I'll show you why you do it this way, as far as I understand. I'm not a professional, but this is just my opinion and sort of to the best of my knowledge. So if you take a look over here, we have the actual pot, the actual carafe part. I think this whole thing is called a carafe, but we have like the pot that holds the coffee, and then we have the handle. If you look at where the handle is, on the top, you'll see that part of the lid. This is the whole lid right here, but the part of the lid that's where the handle is, that's where I like to remove the lid from. And if you take a look at this one, there are these little lips, these little edges over here. You can kind of see them. I'll try and get my finger behind them. I'll try and get the camera to focus. But you can see these little edges over here on either side. And you can use those edges. So I'm going to get a grip of those edges. And basically, I'm just going to pull them up. And that's how I remove the lid. That's how you can remove the lid. I'll show you my method. I'm going to place the lid back on. Okay, my method is actually to hold the handle, and if you look over here, there's the tiniest gap between the lid and the handle. You can kind of just barely see through it. And when I get my thumb, I can get it just underneath that, just barely underneath that gap. Okay, and even if it's just a small gap, I've been able to get just enough thumb pressure to basically use that small gap to lift off the lid of the carafe. So I'm going to use my thumb. I'm holding on to the handle, and I'm going to use my thumb to pop off the lid. Just like that. And I can remove the lid just like that, right? So once again, I just hold the handle and I use my thumb right over here with some upwards pressure, just like this. And as you can see, I pop off the lid really, really easily. Now, the reason I believe, and this is just to the best of my knowledge, the reason I believe that you open the lid from there is obviously it makes sense to open it where the handle is. First and foremost, that's obvious. But also, if you look at this lid, there are some little, almost like hooks or edges, I guess, that sort of keep it, you can kind of see over there, that sort of lodge it in place on this part of the carafe. So when I put it back on, I go with this side first. Okay, I go with the coffee pot side first, and then once that's in place, I sort of press the handle down. And if you look over here, if you listen closely, you can hear that it's almost locked in place. I wouldn't consider it locked in place, but it's staying in place. I'm not able to pop it off from this end. As you can hear, I believe because of those hooks that I showed you. Now, like I said, I'm not a professional. That's just to the best of my knowledge. That's how I open up the lid or remove the lid of a coffee carafe, of this one and of the ones that I've used in the past. But obviously yours might be a little bit different. That's fine. You can do it a different way. But you know, that's to the best of my knowledge how the coffee carafe sort of system works. Generally speaking, you know, like I said, that's my experience. But you know, you can always consult your owner's manual. You can always take a look, you know, at the carafe. Use your judgment, use your common sense, and see what makes sense. But yeah, that's basically all that I have to explain. That's all that I have to say, all that I have to show you. And yeah, with nothing else to say, nothing else to show you, other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. You know, obviously I want to say that. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. But with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here is the official outro for this specific video. And I've said that so many times, so for real, I promise, without further ado, here is the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.